Courtland Construction specializes in municipal excavation, utility lines, road work, commercial site work, anything heavy equipment related. So we work for cities, towns, the state. We really enjoy deeper excavations. You know, they're pretty traffic control intensive. Unfortunately, it's a lot of stuff that people don't see, but maybe take for granted every day when they go to turn on their water faucet, when they head down the street to work or school. It's really fun, but it's kind of disappointing at times because we do some really intricate and neat work that gets buried up. So a typical day for me, I like to get to the office, depending on what's going on, anywhere between 4 and 5 in the morning. Somewhere around 6, depending on the job site. If we're working locally, some employees will start to shuffle in here and start going through the day with them. You know, we try to get to our job sites anywhere between 6:30 and 6:45. There's a lot of problem solving throughout the day. In this line of work, you plan out the best you can, and you kind of plan for every possible contingency. But I think what sets us apart is our ability to quickly problem solve, you know, any unknown. There's a lot of unknown obstacles underneath the ground. Myself and my employees, we share a lot of common traits, and it sort of transcends age, gender, race. We really all enjoy working outside. Getting up early, definitely being a morning person is kind of a prerequisite. We'll work on different job sites around the state, and one of the cool things is getting to meet different people and seeing, you know, Vermont's a fairly small state, but from town to town and county to county, there's actually some pretty geographical differences and just some differences in general, just in the way you interact with the public. Actually, one of my favorite parts of the job, and it's kind of funny, but it's the last day of the job. We've just wrapped everything up and we're leaving that job, and the job's kind of in the rearview mirror, and it's actually just a feeling of pride and accomplishment, because as you're driving away, you kind of think of all the challenges you've overcome, and you know, you kind of question, like, why am I doing this? And it's only when you finish and you kind of looking at it in hindsight, you realize, yeah, that challenge and those obstacles, that they made it fun, they made it alive.